got a couple unboxings today, but I'm going to start with Twilight Garden Wax. I've ruined the box by taking the tape off. It was just really on there really tight, but I like the stickers she usually puts on there. Very cute. I tore that one all the way up. Anyway, I was a little concerned about how they might arrive because it's so hot. So let's see. Oh, looks like the samples are in perfect condition. We have a sample of Pink Parisian. Pretty shimmery. And then this is sample A. Don't know what that means. Sample A. Hey, it's a sample. Let me see what this smells like. I don't know what that is. It smells soft, powdery even, but I don't know. Sample C. These are the first time I've seen them named like this. Oh, this smells good. Whatever sample C is, it smells amazing. Yes, I probably missed a post of hers. We're probably supposed to tell her what we think of these samples or something. Oh no. Anyway, so pretty little logo as usual. Here are thank yous, and then oh, this is some information about your wax, how to wait for it to cure and such. Then her, oh yes, her usual little gifties. Oh, looks like we got extra gifties. Okay, girl. Okay, she knows I love these. And I've got oh plenty. Now this is 6 packs. That's 7 packs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Girl, thank you. Then, as usual, we get one of these fortune teller fish you put in your hand. I'm sure you guys have seen it over and over again because I've shown it on my unboxings before, so I won't show you again. Cute little sticker. Some Twinings tea, or Twinings tea. And what else is in here? Gosh, there's a lot of stuff in here. I didn't even order that much to deserve all this. A little Biscoff cracker. And another sticker. Very cute. I don't even know, like this. All right. So let's get to the goods. So I missed her last restock because the sister was broke. But I came into a little extra money, and she happened to have some leftovers that she posted online for everyone to avail themselves of from her last restock. So I ordered a bunch. And I'm surprised she had any leftovers. She usually never has leftovers. This is Dear Diary. Fruits, sponge sugar, hints of caramel, and a touch of vanilla. I'll be right back. This literally smells like heaven. Oh my gosh, I can actually eat this. It smells so delicious. And I'm not a bakery or food scent, but if it's super sweet, like cotton candy or sort of like I'm sorry, I can't even say candy-ish because we have like sour candies that I can't get into. But when it's super sweet, I like it. And this is super sweet. And actually, a piece fell off of it. So let me show you what it looks like with the full effect. There we are. All right, I'm going to be back. I'm going to just open all of these up because it's too hot to play with the madness today. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back, and these are the remainder of the things that I got. I've made it a little easier for me to look through and show you what they look like. This was the Oopsie. I actually bought the non-Oopsie of this before, I believe. And so I don't care. As long as I'm not going to do a video, who cares if they're broken? They still smell the same, right? So this is Sweet on Paris and Sweet Strawberry. I like her Oopsies. And then this one is Paradise Pops. This is, I got this one before, but I got it in the popsicle form, and then I ordered the actual ice cream cone form this time. I love it. It is so cute. Next we have Twilight Garden Wax. Of course we have Twilight Garden Wax. Blackberry Magnolia. Beautiful and shimmery. We have this huge hunk of wax. It is a mermaid tail called Mermaid Cove. Oh, I didn't give you the scent profiles on this. This one is a blend of berry, citrus, and hints of sugar and vanilla. This one is blackberries, apple, magnolia, melon, sugar, and vanilla. And the Mermaid Cove is ocean breezes, sea salt, kelp, grapefruit, rainfall, OUD, oak moss, patchouli, and amber. I really don't know if it's OUD, oud. I don't know. I don't even know what that is. But I get it a lot in a lot of wax melts. And I'm like, what is that? All right. Then we have Over the Rainbow, another one that I've gotten before. This is, I believe I've gotten this one before. I know that I've gotten this shape before, and I thought it was Over the Rainbow. Oh, yes, it was. I made a video on it, and I played Over the Rainbow on the video. It's rainbow sherbet, blend of lime, pineapple, orange, raspberry, and vanilla. Then we have this beautiful little wax melt. I know if you watch my videos, you've seen this one before, but the last one was in rose jam type, and the water was blue, and I think the pseudo bath bomb was pink, and this one is in unruly, so I wanted to get a new one. Patchouli, vanilla, vanilla and black pepper. All right, what else do I have? It's so hot out here. We have Fruit Loops. It just smells like a bowl of cereal. I got 2 of these pink stiletto because I like the scent. Very pretty. And it's sweet sugar crust, red fruits, raspberries, and cotton candy. So I have 2 of those. Baja Cactus Blossom, which I've already demoed, but it just smelled amazing, so I got another one. And then this one here is called Rose Milk. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't give you the, what's wrong with me? Cactus Blossom is fresh flowers, coconut, musk, and sandalwood. And then Rose Milk, which is adorable. And this is coconut cream, berries, apples, rose petals, figs, cashmere, and spun sugar. So again, I have Rose Milk, Baja Cactus Blossom, Fruit Loops, 2 of the pink stiletto, the unruly little bathtub, the blackberry magnolia, Over the Rainbow, Paradise Pops, the Oopsie of Parisian Strawberry, Mermaid Cove, and then the Dear Diary, which is adorable, and tons of candy. Oh, the samples. We had sample A, sample C, and then this pink Parisian peach. Alright guys, that's it for Twilight Garden Wax, and I will talk to you guys on the next one.